Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor Air Pump 150 PSI. Cordless electric for car, motorcycle, bike, ball. With tire gauge pressure, dual-use type. Color, black. Brand Lolsa. Voltage 12 volts DC. Recommended uses for product tire inflation. Power source battery powered. Noise level 50 dB. Air compressor, 3x faster powerful motor. Providing airflow 36 liters per minute. Inflate a small car tire. 2835 PSI. In about 55 seconds. Portable tire inflator for car, motorcycle, bicycle, and ball. Not recommend for truck. Portable air compressor, upgraded multi-purpose tire inflator. It can work continuously for close to 1 to 2 hours, and about 3 to 4 hours to be fully charged. The air pump has the ways to use it. It can be used wirelessly, and you can also use the car cord to inflate it when it has no power. Cigarette lighter won't charge the air pump. Tire inflator, clear screen with tire pressure gauge feature. Dual values for easy read: pressure preset value and real-time pressure value. Measurement accuracy plus or minus 1 psi for safer inflation. 3 kinds of lights: LED, SOS, flashing lights. For the dark night and emergency situations, add security to your journey. Air pump for car tires, 4% modes for bicycle, motorcycle, car and ball. Auto shut off when the preset value is reached. You can also set your own pressure value up to 150 psi. To meet the inflation needs of more inflatables. One button to easily switch between PSI, bar, kPa, kilogram per square centimeter pressure units. Easy to operate. Tire inflator portable air compressor, lightweight mini air pump. Exquisite cagged in a box with a storage bag and fuse. USB-C input port and USB output port can be reversed to power, making it a power bank for cell phones and other electronic devices. A suitable choice for Father's Day, Christmas, New Year and other